Welcome to my 5 days of Halloween. You're going to need 4 baskets from Dollar Tree, any color. Spray paint from Walmart is like 97 cents. 3 items or whatever you want to put inside of the basket. I got mine from Dollar Tree. 4 chains from Dollar Tree. And zip ties. I also got mine in black. Then you're going to spray paint the baskets. I suggest spraying from the outside in so you learn from my mistakes. Because once you spray from the outside, it sprays in the inside and kind of covers it. So all you have to do is go back and spot spray. And it probably take less if I would have did it from the outside in. But I learned after the first one. You're going to spray all over. Cover the bottoms. Take off the handles. Then I hot glued on my rat bones onto the baskets. I actually did one on the top and one on the bottom basket. I put glue here, under his neck, hands, and right here. Then you zip tie them on. I actually used 3 zip ties, and they held on pretty well. You can see them look like they're trying to get out of the cage. And I glued them on top. I suggest using super glue instead of the hot glue because hot glue will not hold. But I just did this for video purposes. So I can go ahead and show you what it looks like. But use super glue or E6000 or something that's extra strong. And there's my skeleton. Same process. Zip tied on, glued the chain on the top. I use 2 chains on each basket. And final results. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss a post.